That's right, Pig Latin. Ik Patenley. You're just starting out and you don't know how. Somebody's trying to speak to you and you don't know how. You just want to learn a secret language because secret languages are just that cool. Pig Latin goes way back, really ancient language, and lots of fun. Every school kid in the country and for other countries for hundreds of years have thought, my best friend is so smart because he was the creator of this language. It also has many different variations and different names and different, some people call it Pig Latin and some people call it Hog Latin and Hog Talk, I've heard it called. But we're going to stick with Pig Latin. And we're going to make it real simple. We're going to You've ever heard somebody talk it, you hear them say A lot, kind of like the Fonz, or, no offense, but the Canadians seem to say A a lot. So I'm going to write A as AY and everything. And you'll find that there are some variations that some will offer this yay or way when they do vowels, but that's not the way I learned it, but I do know that it's a variation, and we'll talk a little bit more when we get to the vowels for that. The basic gist of Pig Latin is you take the beginning letters or letter clusters or consonant sounds and you move it to the end of the word and add that A sound. And as I said, some variations offer that they add a yay or a way, but I add only A, like the Fonz from back in the day, happy days. So here, we'll start right here with Pig Latin and translate it for you real quick. And what we're going to do, you take that word pig, and you got your P here, and you're going to move it and add A, right? So you take that P from the beginning and you're going to move it right over here. Yep, of course. There it is. And add this AY, right? So then you end up with ig pay. See how I did that? Moved the P out in. So then you just got ig pay. Latin. Again, take the first letter there and we're going to move it inwards. Move it to the end of the word. So you take your L and you got your ATIN. And then you add your L right here. Right? So then you end up with Atinlay. So you end up all together with the word Igpay Atinlay. Alright? Alright, well, let's talk about the vowels. That's what we were just talking about. Very similar. You're only moving up to the vowel, and you take that first letter or consonant sound or cluster and you move it. Well, with the vowel, you just take the vowel sound and add the A, right? So if you've got an A and you got an I and you add A to it, you end up with IA. You take am, starts with a vowel, add A, ame. In starts with that I, so it's already got a vowel at the beginning. Add A, in A. IA-M-A-N-A. It's the owl he wakes big igpay and lay it's way owls bay. Alright, I want to reiterate real quick that we're not just moving letters, that we're moving the actual consonant sound. There can be a cluster of consonants that make a sound, so we're not just moving the first consonant, we're moving the entire consonant sound. In the word smooth, We're not going to take and move just the S to make it mooth-say. Okay, we have to move this entire consonant sound of sm up to the vowel, all the way up to the vowel, okay? And then you bring it down to say ooth sme. Okay, we're not taking fresh and making it resh fe. Alright, do you see this? See how it's got this FR all the way up to the vowel. Okay, that's what we're going to do, all the way up to the vowel. Make it esh fray. See there? There's your esh. You're going all the way up to that vowel. Esh fray. Okay? So it's not just the first letter like the C from cat, but it's that whole consonant sound that we want to get moving out there, okay? Alright, and in the similar fashion, we've got compound words. Compound words we're going to split up a little bit so that maybe they act as singular words to try to secretize, maybe, I don't know. Also, it could be just a variation. I noticed that not everybody does this breakdown, so maybe this is just a little added variation. But either way, I'm going to explain it the way I know it. So compound words such as supernova, you could take and just, as a similar formula, and take the S from the beginning and move it directly to the end of the word and make it upernova say. Upernova say. You could do that. In this compound word, you could also break it down because it was, like we say, it's a compound word, two words in one, right? Super and nova. So we take this in similar fashion, we'll just bring it around and break down the word and say, bring this S to the end. So you've got upper say, ova, nay. Okay. Last compound word I've got for you right here, we're going to say killjoy. You could call it just a simple, translate your kill, your K back to the end there, and say illjoy K. This variation calls for both words to be changed into making the K to the end of kill. So you've got ill K, oi J. Okay? Ill K, oi J. Alright. As far as I can tell, you guys should have all of the information that you need in order to be able to speak Pig Latin. The most important thing that I can recommend to you is to find a partner and teach them the rules and practice, practice, practice. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Be sure to subscribe and like and share. Comment if you need to. Look forward to hearing from you.